Welcome, viewers and subscribers to Blazing TV. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe at the end of this video. Thank you for choosing Blazing TV. People, the rains keep pouring in Jamaica and most parishes flood out. Now it's Ocho Rios. Milford Road runs all the way into the town. People, watch this video. Water everywhere. This is coming from off the hill, so you know the town is messy. Everybody is panicking and saying all kind of things. Rain, 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 and rain everywhere. People, watch this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, and share. Thank you.
Oh, where this hungered land full Jesus Christ. Look up the road. Look for all of the water. This hungered land full Jesus Christ. Look up the road. Look for all of the water. This hungered land full Jesus Christ. Look up the road. Look for all of the water. This hungered land full Jesus Christ. Look up the road. Look for all of the water.